Hello guys and welcome to Rishiv Vlogs. I'm Shivang Vadva and it's 26th, which is Republic Day, and we are going on for a ride to Townside, I guess, or Woli. We'll be meeting up at Woli with our friends. For now we have our RC390 with us, so Z800 and a Harley Davidson, and we are on our way to Woli right now. So I know I've been off on YouTube. I haven't uploaded videos as of yet since a month. The reason is not obvious, but the scene was that I had an accident on my bike, which is now fine. I'll tell you about it later on in the video, but for now it's more like that we're going on for a ride, and this vlog is only going to be about bike and bike. That's the only thing it's going to be about. So let's see how it goes, and yeah, it obviously will go well. It should. So yeah, for now we're gonna wait, regroup, and get to Woli as soon as possible, and let's see how it goes. So yeah, let's go with him. So we're on our way to Woli now with the gang we have right now, 4 bikes. There'll be a lot of more bikes over there, so we are actually late. It's 8:19. We were supposed to meet at 7:30, 7:45. So we are going to meet up with the rest of the crew directly at Woli. Assuming there was not supposed to be this much of traffic at 8:30 AM, but it is, which is quite weird because on Saturday mornings I've never seen this traffic, like so much of traffic over here, but it might be due to some reason. Maybe some reason might be there. So this is the Siddhivinayak Mandir that we are passing through on our way to Woli. पीछे गया वो मर्सिडीज का, तो कोई खड़ा नहीं था. So that's what happens when you're late for a ride. You cannot tag along so soon. So we'll catch up eventually. We are going there, so we'll catch up on Woli Z-Phase or somewhere on the way. Change of plans. They have left from Woli and they are reaching Cafe Montega, which is in town, so we'll have to reach there directly. So we'll be reaching town directly now. Not that far from here though. For bikes like these, it's never too far from anywhere. So that's a Baleno. That's the guy we are going to follow till town, because we are not good with Waze. No one of us is good with Waze. So okay, I guess the following part isn't going well. Since we have a bike, we can just take over as fast as we want to. What the fuck is this guy doing now? Okay. You know, when you are lost and all, you just gotta catch up. That's how you catch up on a Duke 390. Never too late for catching up, yeah? A lot of signals. We'll have to see how it goes because there's a lot of bike groups that come out. The last year I was not on YouTube. In Mumbai, according to Mumbai, this is a very cold temperature. We've seen the morning 5 o'clock, it's going around 16-15 degrees Celsius, which is the coldest in Mumbai as far as I've or anyone has seen. It's a long signal right now. I guess I'll have to edit this scene by putting the eternity later of the SpongeBob thing because it's actually taking a long time for the signal to get green. It's frustrating actually because there's no traffic nowhere around, but we can't go because of the signal, which is telling us to slow down that police guy, which is quite fine. Because of the noise, people think that we are racing and we are racers. Those bikes, the 1000cc bikes, people think that they are racing, but it's not actually racing. The bike sound is like that. People think that it's a racing bike, but it's just, even if you rev it on 5-6 RPM, 6000 RPM, it gives that sound because it's made for that. People pay for it. So it's not like we're racing or we're racers. It's just that we enjoy the sound, the clarity of the sound that the bike makes. Unlikely Duke doesn't make that kind of a sound, but 800, 600s do make that kind of a sound. So yeah, kicking in, it'll take us time to get there. That's quite obvious. So now we've reached town, the best place in Mumbai to visit because of the seaface. That's the Chowpatty over here, and on our left right now is Bachelor's, the famous place where people come to get ice cream, and this guy just gave me a flyby right now. This ride so far is that the cops caught us. Even though when we were not in a group, we were 4 people who were riding on a Republic Day, and we were just going around. They have charged us amount of 2,000, saying that we were racing, rash driving, and they were checking the sounds of the bike, and shit amount of shit was just unreal what they have told us about. Too much to take in, but oh fuck. So this scene, I've got the video. I've taken the video of the incident right now, and I'm gonna show it on YouTube to everyone.
down,